Today on Corporate Review, join us as we explore innovative technologies, cutting-edge solutions, and timely discussions from leaders across the globe. This is Corporate Review.
Businesses increasingly rely on merchandising through the internet, and online sales represent a tremendous income-producing opportunity. Here to discuss how his company has developed an innovative and dynamic solution, we have Michael Hansen, President and CEO of Doobly. Welcome, Michael.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a great honor.
Michael, what are the biggest challenges in building a global e-commerce/cashback site?
One of the biggest challenges we had in the past was actually to come up with a design and a navigation system that everybody understood around the world. Because there's a very big difference how you build up a website here in the US and how you do it in Europe and also how you do it in Asia. So to come up with this global design was a challenge, but we did it in Doobly, and today we have customers in all countries around the world and everybody just love our website. Another challenge that we're actually facing in the moment, and that can sound a little bit strange because in this part of the world everybody understands what cashback is, but in a lot of countries around the world they actually never heard about cashback before. So here we have some education to do, but that's also a huge opportunity for our company to be the first cashback shopping mall in the different countries.
What makes Doobly unique compared to some of the other cashback sites that I've seen out there?
There's a lot of different things that make us unique, and the first thing is actually what I just talked about before, that we are a global company, that we have customers in all the countries. Most existing cashback site today is only represented in one country or maximum two countries, so that's the first thing. And the next thing that makes us very unique is the high level of cashback that we are paying back to our customers, because this has never been seen before in this industry here. Right now, Doobly is saving families around the world in average of 15% of everything they're buying online.
Wow. Michael, what are your marketing strategies for building a global company?
We have different unique marketing strategies, and the first marketing strategy we have is our marketing company called Doobly Network, and here we are offering people around the world a business opportunity to actually start their own business to Doobly Network, not by going out and selling anything, but actually helping people saving money on things they have to buy anyway. And another marketing strategy we have is our co-branded partner program that we offer to very big companies and charity organizations around the world. And today we are already working around the world with some of the leading banks, insurance companies, telecommunication companies, TV stations, sports clubs, charity organizations, and with more than 500 of those partner programs live already, we're actually reaching out to more than 100 million customers, and this is all warm market customers.
Where do you see Doobly in the next 5 to 7 years?
Today, more than 10,000 merchants around the world are already connected to Doobly. Doobly is today covering more than 70% of the worldwide travel industry, online travel industry. This alone is a $500 billion market. So right now we have a very, very strong foundation for the future. So our goal is really clear. In the next 5 to 7 years, we want to be the cashback site of the world.
It's fairly ambitious. I like to hear that. Michael, thank you very much for being here today and sharing Doobly's very exciting online offerings.
Thank you one more time so much for inviting me here.